Some of the key differences with the TandemLED product are the wide range of uses. For example, with the TandemLED tape light, it contains a micro waterproof coating, a waterproof adhesive. This allows you to use it both indoors and outside. So you can use it as deck lighting, or you can use it anywhere in your house, and it is wet location approved. Another key factor is when you're looking at a lot of the smart home lighting products that are on the market that are designed to be used as under cabinet lighting, or if you're using it in a bookcase or an office, it's hard to customize that lighting size to fit that space. It has a lot of wiring that's required because of the number of wires that are used to connect it. With the TandemLED simple 2-wire technology and our simple cut to size technology, it allows the consumer who has no electrical experience to be able to then install that lighting quickly.